Oh my god. Hello guys. Just wanna know, okay. So if you guys can, please go subscribe to You Monkey. That's what it's called, You Monkey. And find the one that has the picture of a butt, like on the swing, like this. Hold on. I know this might be inappropriate, but like the swing is right here, and him just like. Oh my god, was that my underwear? No. Did I just cough? One thing that is like really bothering me. Why am I shaking? What am I shaking for? Why am I shaking? Oh yeah, it's because tomorrow's tutoring. Excuse me. Did you guys hear that scream?